Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Here we go, Gia, my friend, is right here. As you saw her previously in my other vlogs, and we are recently best friends because...
Why did you do that? Best friends?
So we are best friends, and yeah, I decided to invite her for today's Get Ready With Me because we're going to take some pictures and I don't think that we can do it. But anyways,
And I'm laughing because you'll see why. I'm laughing when she said get ready with us.
oh yeah, oh yeah, what?
Never mind. Just check the video and you will see.
Okay, anyway, here is our result. So we...
No, listen, this is her result. This is her.
So yeah, I think it's a very funny video, kind of. We didn't talk at all. We were so in a hurry, and yeah, someone interrupted my video right now. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into the video and watch how we are getting ready for a photo shoot. Tell me, what are you doing first?
I'm putting I'm hydrating my face.
Let's see who will apply first.
What?
Who will
Foundation?
finish makeup first?
Well, I think I will because I don't know how to do pretty much.
So we are getting ready to take some pictures.
Yes.
Right?
Hopefully nice ones.
Hopefully. Because every single time when we want to take pictures, we are asking someone for it. And we're not using each other for taking pictures. And we're just wasting our time, right? Because you want excuses. Oh, we need to go to the buy mall and buy these ones. You know how much is it?
How
I
much?
told you. Like
It's from
dirhams.
Dubai Mall?
Yeah.
What store? Because I've been there like yesterday and 2 days ago.
And I want to buy the masks, 3 dirhams.
What store?
It's downstairs next to the waitress. And I want to buy setting powder. Setting powder does so much
I've been using
things.
the Studio Fix from MAC. Well, a long time. I don't even know if it's
No,
doing
don't
its
tell me that
job
it's the
or-
same that I have.
Yeah, it's the same.
It's amazing.
I don't know.
You don't see the difference?
No.
Are you serious?
It's so weird because you know we all have a routine when we do our makeup, and we have a spot where we do our makeup, and you know steps how we do our makeup. So after foundation, I always go wash my hands, but now I'm not gonna wash my hands.
Why? Go do it.
All right.
You have the tissues right here.
Eh.
We look like... Ooh. What outfits did you take with you?
Oh, yesterday I bought like a really nice jacket and some jumper. You'll see. I probably am doing everything wrong.
It's okay, it's alright. So you're for so many times were in my videos and we never said anything,
About me.
yeah, about you and how we met and all that stuff. So
You were not in a good mood when we met.
yeah,
Remember?
yeah, I was in a really bad mood.
It was my first day at my job, and I was working with Yana, and she was not in a good mood. And I was like, yeah, it's my first day, I need to suck it. I need to be nice, so I was nice. I am.
You were trying to be nice.
Most of the time. You do your eyebrows at the end, right?
Yeah, after the face I usually do it.
I don't.
What?
I do it after my setting powder.
Yeah, but you already did your face.
Yeah.
But it's not a setting powder. I want the baking powder. That's what I meant.
Oh, the one that you put it
Yes.
under, yeah.
And here on the sides. Oh my god. And you know that even if your skin anyway is dry, right?
Yeah, it's very.
My skin is very oily. So once I'm going out, my face is like a shiny vase. This thing really will help a lot.
So my makeup is very basic.
Put some extra.
I don't know how to put extra.
Okay, let's do it then together.
Yeah.
You just will choose yourself colors which you want.
Yeah, but you know how to put it. I don't. That's the difference.
Yeah, but it's not hard.
I know it's not.
This is just a magic.
The Mac?
So that's the story ends.
Wait, I forgot. What were we talking about? Oh, how we met, right? So,
How we became friends.
so the first night, because I didn't know really what to do. I was a puppy. And you had to take care of me. And she had to tell me like, yeah, do this and don't do that. And oh, and is it the first night or the second night when we stayed to that place that I like? Remember?
Which I hate.
Yeah, which you hate.
Yeah.
And we drank Red Bull.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it was the second.
It was the second night. Yeah, we were kind of closer.
You still like that place?
I haven't been there in like, I don't know, a month. I haven't been working there.
Yeah, but I mean, you know what I mean.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
So,
I'll have to see.
and then in that moment you will understand. Did you try Jeffree Star's lipsticks?
No, I haven't
Oh
tried
my
anything from him.
God.
I want to.
It stays all day long. You can eat. And it's finished. Where we can order it or buy it?
I don't know if you can buy it from here. I don't know if they sell it here. They sell it at Ulta in America and Sephora. They just brought Tarte here, and Tarte is very
Yeah.
old, and they just brought it.
By the way, this Tarte I got from UK when a friend of mine was there.
Which one?
The Tarte, the
Oh, this is
Concealer.
concealer. This is. I love this. It's crazy.
what is it?
The Pro Glow palette. Tarte.
Okay, I can read it, but what it actually does.
It's like sculpting and.
Okay.
Yeah. And I use it for.
Only? Why you don't contour yourself?
Oh, I do contour myself, but I use it for eyeshadow
Why don't you
as
contour
well.
now?
I will after.
Oh, I'm sure.
I told you we all have different steps. It's so wrong that I'm doing it with my hands,
No, it is fine.
but I love it.
It's more pigmented.
Mhm.
You were on the camera more active before. And now I don't know what happened to you. What happened? You're shy?
Because I'm not comfortable. I'm not comfortable because I'm not. I know I'm not. You know, a makeup pro or whatever. And
Yeah, but I'm not makeup pro too. And
you are.
No.
Shut up.
Not at all. My mom is a pro of makeup. She is a freaking pro.
You told me she's a makeup artist. So see, it runs in the family.
She entered the makeup industry accidentally.
Really? How come?
She just decided to go for a course and that's it.
See, look at the difference. How she's doing it. Like she's so soft, gentle, and she's like with her brushes, and I'm like, all right, go. Hope for nothing and expect the best, or something like that. No, expect nothing and hope for the. Yeah, that's how I just said it. Like, what a difference. Look. See, it doesn't look like I did anything to my face except my orangey eyes. And you, like, total change. Gosh.
No, it will be too much. You need to put here on the
down,
sides
yeah.
very... Which one you took?
The dark one.
This one. Give me. I'll show you.
Come on.
And then, is this one?
Holy moly.
What is it?
Whatever you want.
Close. Close the eye.
Wait, it's funny.
Close the eye.
Let me.
The sun will go down. And we can stay at home and remove the makeup.
on.
I'm
I don't
serious.
know how to blend.
You don't like it?
I like it, but I don't know how to do it myself. I don't know how to blend it.
Blow the eye.
Don't swear, you're on camera.
I'll beep it.
This video should be called I'm doing my friend's makeup because she doesn't know how to.
This is how we do it.
This is how we do it. It looks when a pro knows what. Is it me or everybody does a weird face when they put mascara on?
What you do? A lot of people, but I stopped doing it.
Yeah, because of the camera. But for me, it doesn't. If I don't do like this.
So my friend is changing. I will run change as well and we'll come back. So we are back, we changed, left lips and we must run.
The sun is setting and you've never seen the sun set so fast anywhere else than here.
So this is our final result.
Her job.
So we are so in a hurry to go. It's like 6:46 p.m. and we have like 20 minutes to take pictures, and then we
that's not gonna happen.
and then we can just start making video of
how we take our makeup off.
exactly. I'm getting ready with me on stuff like that.
Undress me.
Undress you?
Well, you know what I mean.
So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave comments down below, subscribe for my channel, leave a big thumb up for this video if you like this kind of video, so I will grab my friend with me in front of the camera again next time. So yeah,
and we will be more chatty because this makeup tutorial, not tutorial, this get ready with me makeup, whatever it was it.
Yeah, because
it was very
boring. Yeah, because we were in a hurry and she cannot talk and put on makeup, I guess.
I'm retarded.
So
but you saw she helped me.
So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video on Sunday.